Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use Apple Pay in store. If you're tired of digging through your wallet or worrying about card security, Apple Pay is a game changer. It's a contactless payment method from Apple that lets you pay with your iPhone or Apple Watch quickly and securely. Let's dive right in. First off, before you head to the store, make sure your device is set up. You'll need an iPhone with Face ID, Touch ID, or an Apple Watch running the latest iOS or watchOS. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone, and if you haven't added a card yet, tap the plus icon. Enter your debit or credit card details, and follow the on-screen instructions to verify with your bank. This usually involves a quick text or email confirmation, super straightforward. Now, when you're at the checkout, look for the contactless payment symbol on the terminal, like the one that looks like Wi-Fi waves. Step 1. Unlock your device. For an iPhone, you might use Face ID or enter your passcode. Step 2. Double-click the side button on your iPhone or the button on your Apple Watch. This brings up your default card. Step 3. Hold your device near the reader, about an inch away, until you see the done or checkmark animation. You'll feel a gentle vibration, and that's it. Your payment is processed in seconds. One of the best parts about Apple Pay is its security. It uses tokenization, meaning your actual card number isn't shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique token is used, keeping your info safe from hackers. Plus, it's accepted at millions of locations worldwide, from big chains like Starbucks to smaller shops. If you run into issues, double-check that your card is active in Wallet and that your device's NFC is enabled in Settings. Not every store supports it yet, so it's always good to ask first. There you have it. Using Apple Pay in store is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Give it a try next time you're out shopping. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.